We got a filthy driveway and filthy stuff in the backyard, and the quickest way to do that is to power wash it, but to use the small nozzle is going to take forever. So we're going to use the surface cleaner by EVEAGE. And inside the box we have our little manual. We have our wands, our extensions, and we have the actual surface cleaner, along with some Teflon tape and a couple spare nozzles. So the bottom here just spins, nozzles will push it. We've got 4 wheels, so it just glides on the ground very easily. 4,000 psi, so yeah, this will definitely help clean up the driveway and any other surface really quickly. So we got our power washer wand, our gun, and quick release right there. And we're going to add our little wand extensions here. Just like that, and then just pops right in at the bottom. This surface cleaner by EVEAGE, in minutes, we were able to clean a good chunk of the driveway off with little to no effort. The boys, who I would never trust with an actual power washer, are able to do this without a problem. It's got enough weight down here that it doesn't blow itself up, and it just glides effortlessly with the 4 wheels. Even Papa can sit in his chair and do it without having to be constantly standing over the sprayer. So, an excellent tool for any of your surfaces that need cleaning.